Good morning. I had to share this view with you this morning. I was planning on leaving at 7 o'clock. It's going for 9:30 already, and we still can't get away from this view. I'm pretty dark, so I'm gonna have to turn around so that you can see me. But that's the view we have, and we've been sitting here, had 2 cups of coffee already this morning. We just can't leave. I'm telling you, Donna Bay, you can't beat this view. Out there, if I turn it out that way, we saw whales this morning already. We saw the whales breaching over there, and we saw a lot of dolphins surfing where those waves are breaking. Let me turn the camera around to show you. If you look, I'm going to point out, you see those waves breaking over there? That's exactly where the dolphins were surfing those waves. I don't see them at the moment, but they were over there. And then further in, right at the back over there, we saw a whale. He was playing around there for quite a long time. It's like crazy. This view is fantastic. Fantastic. When we go to George, we're planning on going up the Outeniqua Pass, which is a tar road pass. I understand that's a beautiful pass. And then we're going to go around the top side and come down the Montague Pass. And the Montague Pass apparently is also a beautiful pass. If you look at the top here, you'll see that we did the Swartberg Pass, and that was a beautiful pass as well. But when we did the Swartberg Pass, the sun wasn't shining. Today the sun's shining, so we can get beautiful footage of the Montague Pass. So this whole excursion from Mossel Bay through to George and over the passes is going to be a couple of episodes. So enjoy them with us, and we'll see you on the road. Let's get going. We are leaving our accommodation, which was really stunning, but we're heading down to the beach now, there where we saw the dolphins. I want to take a drive down there and see if we can get right to the beach. Now what's nice is that no one can build in front of them, eh?
They have a spectacular place.
No, it is amazing.
I mean, it is just, that view is just next level.
It is next level. Stunning.
Yeah. The fact that it's the ocean and the green belt, that's amazing for me.
Look at this. Yeah, I think they've got one of the best views from where they are.
They have, eh? And they have the best of both worlds, honestly. One could literally just sit there for hours. I mean, even these people, look at this.
Sure.
I mean, it's rare to see so much green and then the ocean.
And then the
it's
ocean,
so amazing that it's kept that way. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Amazing.
Let's see if we can see the dolphins.
Well, I didn't see them now when we left, but I want to see what this beach looks like. It must be, look at this whole bay.
Yeah, it would be our luck, eh, that they were playing there the whole morning and they were too far for us to see.
Look how it's coming down here. Wow, it's like coming down a mountain pass to the ocean.
And it's such a big place.
Look at that beautiful beach. Wow. I really didn't know Donna Bay is this big.
No. Oh, this beautiful.
Second beach.
Second beach, okay. Look at this gorge. The gorge is gorgeous.
Wowzer. This is stunning, eh?
Right? I have no words for how beautiful this is.
Wow. Look at these houses. I wonder what view they must have, eh? I don't have to wonder what view they've got. I can see what view they've got.
No wonder they all have these decks, eh? Because I mean that's where they must spend all their time.
All their time. See, all the people have come here. The dolphins have gone because the people have arrived now. You see, fishermen. But
it looks like it was quite a big school, eh?
Yeah, it was. But I'm going to definitely take a walk on this beach.
No.
Oh, we're leaving the Dana Bay beach now. We sat here and we saw dolphins. I tried to send the drone up to capture them, but unfortunately just couldn't. But we met a young guy here who was also flying. Well, he's much more experienced with drone flying than me, and his equipment is next level. He sent us footage, which I'm going to insert here now, and you'll see the dolphins that he got. Incredible.
And hammerhead sharks.
And hammerhead sharks. But what a nice young guy, I'm telling you. Christiaan. Thanks for the footage, man. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a groot brak, eh?
Yeah. This is a stunning part of the world, eh?
Wow. They don't call it the garden route for nothing, eh?
Sure.
I think this is where we start going up the Outeniqua Pass, eh? Just outside George.
Outeniqua Pass?
Yes.
I don't know the pass's names, you do.
I think this is called the Outeniqua Pass. This road goes, you go over this, these are the Outeniqua Mountains, eh?
I think so.
And then you go over them and you go to Oudtshoorn from here. Then we're going to turn back and come down the Montague Pass.
Oh, it's those two names I've got confused.
Yes.
Okay.
I had to I shot past the sign. I have to stop to show you that it is the Outeniqua Pass, and we're going over here now. But look at that. Beautiful, eh? Well, a busy pass, ne? Beautiful, though. Look, there's a gravel road down there. I wonder if that's the Montague Pass down there.
That's fantastic.
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's going to be gorgeous. Down there is the Montague Pass. That's the one we're going to be taking back. That's incredible. I'm looking forward to that one. Wow. Outeniqua Pass. Like a little picnic spot here. This is fantastic. Look here, you can come and sit here with this view and have picnics here. Wow. Of the Montague Pass. Crazy. Place to walk up, get even a higher point, vantage point. Look. Well, I'll be. Yeah.
It's a telecom. This is a telecom tower. But why are there so many cars?
Got no clue. Interesting. The pass to pass trail. Start here at the Outeniqua Pass, and then you can hike to the Montague Pass, I presume, and it's 4.4 kilometers just one way. So you're looking at nearly 9 kilometers. I'd love to do it, but not today. If you look very carefully, you can see over there is the walking trail, down like that, around over there, and then right over the top there, you can see there's the hiking trail. Takes you to the Montague Pass. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I hope you can see what's written there. This is the Montague Pass we're going to go on to now. And they say, no caravans or heavy vehicles. So,
And caution, falling rocks and rock slides.
Yep. Nice, nice.